All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back. How are we all doing? I'm back again on the video reaction. Many of you know that today is fundraising, so we are gonna take it, you know, a kind of quick reaction. We're gonna go straight to the program without wasting much of your time. Please do me a favor, like the video, It's very, very important you do so. Let me just remind you why I always ask to like the video, because that is a way to let the owner of the platform that to know that people that watch the video are not, robots. It's a way of reminding them that what we do here, that people actually like it, that people understand what we do here, that they don't commit any crime. We are not promoting any violence. So please subscribe to the channel. As you can see, we are looking for a way to get it, the subscriber up, simply because we notice that many people that watch the video, they don't subscribe, not because they hate what we do. Sometimes it's just that they don't remember, or many don't even know the importance of subscribing. Please do me a favor and subscribe, share this video so that it will get to many people. All right, now we are here to react on a post made by Akparawa. Before we go to that post, pay attention to what Eggman Mazi Akwa have to say.
People whose relevance
let me take it back. Let's take it back from the beginning.
Whose relevance are gone. People who are already gone. Now, ask yourself, all this evil that this gang of demons have done against Ricky and against our Prime Minister, and we exposed it. All this cancelling and changing, amending documents that they have done, switching position and putting themselves as the ones in charge of Ricky, and removing completely the Prime Minister's name. Why have they not attended to it? So leave the God-forsaken dog. Leave the God-forsaken dog. It is just a matter of time. Just small time, oh. Small time. Never mind them. You know, the thing is that
Mazi Akwa.
it's just a matter of time. Time doesn't don't waste time.
Okay.
The message that was sent to that bingo, we all have it. We know. And then this is saying, we are the one that was asked to do this, and they are the one. Don't worry yourself. Some of these people that are now confessing, someone like Dorothy. You see Dorothy that is writing a 8-page of a letter that Ngozi is this, Ngozi is that, Ngozi is that. This is the backbone. The backbone of Ngozi is crime. So maybe the backbone of Isaiah, we all watch it here.
Okay, let me take it back again. I want you to pay. Hold on. Pay attention to the write-up here. Pastor Vam, did you know Sonny is spreading propaganda that you people talk to MSE, that's the Master Simon Ekpa, the dragon? He told you people to come back to this, to come back to them, Sonny and his criminal president. This is it. All of them telling you that PM said. I've told you from day one that PM did not tell them anything. And the same way they created AI audio they used to hook why social to fall back and all that, although that one was looking for where to fall to, because she was suspended and later sacked, even though she don't accept that she was sacked. But we were here when the whole thing was pronounced. She was sacked. That's not a fact. But she tried to pretend that she was not sacked. She noticed that because she's not getting it right, and she said to go. No, it's not true. Be honest to yourself. We know that they are lying. We know why they are lying. They are lying because they don't have another place to go. Propaganda and lies cannot give you what you want. In the moment you realize that truth is the only way, it's better for you. And this is not to say that those who chose to lie, they don't want to lie. Some of them they have this lying spirit in them and they need help. Eggman is responding to this post because Sonny and Ogenkere dish out what Eggman was dishing out to other people. There's a recent audio, or that that AI that we have talked about here, right? It has been confirmed that Eggman and the Mama Dabo group, they are the one that cooked that up. Meaning that the one they served the why said before came from the same department. If you know, you know. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, there's other things that happened. If you have noticed all this one, maybe if you followed the storyline and everything about the so-called lawsuit, there was a time during during their breakup from, when this guy decided to move away from Fallback Republic and join the great Imam Dabo's group called Fall Deep Republic. In one of his broadcasts then, he said that people rumoring that the reason why they break up, they decided to go away from Ogenkere is because that they don't like the fact that Ogenkere sued USB and Biafrans. In his own video, he said no, that they were so happy that Ogenkere actually delayed it, that Ogenkere delayed that lawsuit, meaning that he was one of those that was pushing Ogenkere to go and sue Biafra, and Ogenkere somehow was relenting. It was a kind of avoiding it, trying to dodge it. They said in his own video, he said that the reason why Ogenkere was not eager to do that he was very, very adamant to do that because he was afraid that the USB government he was afraid of counter sue, something like that. That anybody who is in support of the Biafra movement that is not happy that Ngozi and USB have been sued to court, that person, that people or those ones are not honest to themselves. That was his own line of story. Then he was believing that Isaiah Yog will adjust because they did not just move away. They demanded something from Isaiah Yog. And Isaiah Yog was like, no, I can't give you what you want. And what was that? They want him to leave, to relinquish one of the posts. Since he hold APM firm, let him give another person to become finance minister. And Isaiah Yog said, no, they don't use Azubike to hijack the account. If you don't know this story, then you are not correct. Azubike is the one in charge of the website. They started by removing Isaiah Yogo's account. No, they did not remove account. They did not remove his account. They rather add another account. And Isaiah Yogo was like, no, we cannot share this. They called for a meeting with Isaiah Yogo to know how they're going to manage this account, this website. And they reached out an agreement that both of the accounts will be there. And Biafrans who want to support Imam Madabu will be donating to this account. Those who want to support Ogenkere will be donating to that account. Ogenkere was like, no, I cannot. He agreed, rather. He later said, when he go back to maybe Akparawa and some of those guys, they told him no, just like what Gowon did with Ojukwu, meeting in Aburi to reach an agreement, and they agreed and handshake. And on their way back to Lagos, a call came in and the storyline changed. That is what Isaiah Yogo did to Imam Bada, because they agreed to have these two accounts working in one website. They agreed. Then Isaiah Yogo later changed mind and said no. Eggman, Mazi Akwa revealed that to the public. So that's where I got my information from him. He said it. So at the end of the day, Mazi Isaiah Yogo decided to create another website, which is for him, and they relinquished the other one to the Azubike, who happened to be in charge of that one. Okay, now meaning that they have separated. The same thing they criticized USB for doing when the whole thing started. They have done the same thing. In case you don't know, I'm just reminding you that. Now, it happened that Eggman, Mazi Akwa, was the one championing, he's part of those championing and pushing Ogenkere to sue Biafran then. Today, as he's no longer with Ogenkere, he was a kind of, don't sue Biafran, why are you suing Biafran? You know, that kind of thing. Especially now that PM have made it clear that he should sue nobody, then withdraw the lawsuit. Mazi Akwa was saying that it's the best thing, that this is one of the best that Ogekere did is to sue Biafra that time. Is now reminding them, since PM have spoken, withdraw it. They say, no, you are saying it because you are no longer involved. Maybe you are scared of your own lawsuit as well. Mazwaka made a post after in the midst of all this, withdraw the case. Oh, I don't want to withdraw it. Withdraw it. I don't want to withdraw it from Ogekere. Mazwaka made a post. All right, and that post I'm gonna share it to you now. Please make sure you like the video and do me a favor by touching the like button. Like the video, put your comment, let me know what you think about it. I'm not gonna make the video to be too long because in a few hours from now, fundraising may start. So please keep your eyes on the channel. We are gonna come back. We are gonna come live for fundraising by God's grace. I will try my best to keep my eyes on that as well. So without wasting much of your time, here is the post that I told you about. So this post here you are seeing now, the Eggman, Mazi Akwa, who made the post, he says something. He says something. You don't have the power to tell, look at it now. You don't have the power to tell me what to do, Ogenkere, dear Simon Ekpa. Okay? Which is true. That's what Ogenkere said. And we are going straight to reaction from look at the picture he attached to it. You don't have the power to tell me what to do. Ogenkere, dear, Ogenkere, dear. You don't have the power to tell. So it's a kind of repetition of something. You don't have the power to tell me what to do. Go Ogenkere, dear Simon Ekpa. Now, here is the Simon Ekpa, Akparawa's message. So Akparawa said, tell this content creator shouting wah 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 to enter inside toilets because he knows nothing about the process of liberation. If you want to learn, follow the next photo below. But I enjoy when I see you crying about same lawsuit you initiated. You remember what I told you? Same lawsuit you initiated. Meaning that Mazi Akwa was busy behind the scene when he was with Ogenkere, pushing him and gingering him, raising that memo, raising that awareness that Ngozi, the Biafran government need to be sued. Little did he know that today he will be in the opposite side, and he's now actually saying something. Then whether he's in the opposite side or not, Ogenkere need to obey the order, obey PM. All right. No, to cement it all, this DOS agent called Eunice PB, who happened to be agent of darkness because she never mean well for PM. I have shown us her tweet before. I don't hate her. I did not personal hatred, but I hate it when people mock anybody like PM in this current situation because what they're doing that is mocking PM. He said, Mwada Chiamaka just target this to Chiamaka, that's Emma Eggman. You can cry us an ocean, not the River, not the ocean. Yes, our PM, your PM, this woman, stop. He said, yes, our PM cannot stop the lawsuit. Idiot. What they do, they dig out. This woman that never followed PM all this while, they dig out tweet from PM all this while, and she could be the one that dig it out. You know why? Because to her, that is one of the things that makes her hate PM. How can he refuse to obey Mazi Americano? Why must he not obey Mazi Americano? That's what they're using now. The same line of words that US are using to justify their hate on PM, that he refused to obey Mazi Americano, that he is against Mazi Americano's wife. These are the two things that most of the US claim that is why they are angry with the PM. But that is not the truth. They just hate PM because PM stopped their, criminality by raising money for nothing. Read this again. Those who do Those who do not understand this message, what it simply means is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be held responsible for the action of Biafran people as we have entered the liberation. So the order of the liberation of Biafra and the security and the order of the Biafran liberation, yeah, the order of the liberation of Biafra rather, and to secure his release cannot be used against him. Let me take it again. Those who do not understand this message, what it simply means is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will not be held responsible for the actions of Biafran people as we have entered the liberation. So, the order of the liberation of Biafra and and to secure his release cannot be used against him. Do you understand what that means? Is about everything is having to do with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We have entered the liberation phase of Biafran nation, and we are not taking orders from our leader who is incarceration, or our duty is to do everything to secure his unconditional release and to restore and liberate Biafran from Nigeria. Our freedom from Nigeria is non-negotiable. You know that kind of thing. The day they circled it here and all that. What they're trying to tell you is to justify the fact that they want to continue the lawsuit. But so as myopic as they appear to be, they don't understand that there's difference between this and that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in Nigeria, PM is in Europe. And not only that, PM is not asking you to stop your freedom. PM is asking you to avoid that which will stop your freedom. People are going to mock you, people are going to cajoke you. Think about it. The decision is that they're two different. This is not to say that you don't need to go to lawsuit, but let it not be after you insisted that you're going to sue and you want to continue with the lawsuit. Do not come back and start telling PM to be the one to also reverse the order. And when Biafra says no, because you said no now, you have bring yourself out, and people will say you refuse to obey PM again. Understand this? And today's date is 4th of October 2025. This is a way for just to remind you, because we may visit this video again in future. I hope it's not going to be like that. So, okay, swallow your shame and respect yourself. Those clapping for you, telling you to write down like Eunice PB, who never for once in support of PM, all of these people are just agents of DOS, whether you like it or not. That's what they are, not IPOB, DOS. Those who are helping in making sure that they label every negativity to PM because they want to get back at him. Like I told you, I don't want the video to be too long, otherwise I would have shown you some response from reference and some comment. But be it their judgment, we're gonna end it here. And please do me a favor, like the video, like I told you. Give it a thumbs up. It's not gonna deduct any money from your account. And if you are not involved in our WhatsApp group, please be there, because I forgot to mention something, in our live broadcast earlier today. Some people come into our live and start asking, send the account for donation and that. We don't do that here. We don't have any account to give to anybody. If you want to have an account where you will not want to donate, because some of you are not genuine, some of you are looking for a way to, oh, Mazi, you do this, do that. I'm not here for that. The WhatsApp group that just opened few weeks ago, is it up to 2 weeks? I can't remember. Do you know that there's a WhatsApp group? There is a WhatsApp group that I am in for ages now. I saw a voice note that somebody dropped in that my WhatsApp group, in that our WhatsApp group, in that group. People can, not everybody that say my father is actually for you. You know, if you know, you know. So we are not here to commit any crime or promote any violence. USB government have made it clear that donation is about for humanity. That's why it called humanitarian fundraising, not fundraising to wage war to attack anybody. Let it be clear. Let it be clear and let it be respected. So in our WhatsApp group, if you have any question about the government, about anything, follow us on WhatsApp group. You're not going to regret it. For those of you that have been there and you're no longer there, please don't come back. Because if you do, if I notice, I will give you ads. Please share this video and like it, of course. See you again as we proceed. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye for now. Take care.